Update Adobe Flash Player.
Okay, so today we're going to learn how to update Adobe Flash Player and Adobe Acrobat. They are two different things. Adobe Flash Player, many programmers are using Flash, so their images, they play your movies, you need to update that. Adobe Acrobat is like on my desktop you see Resume and Origins. It is a text document and you open that in Adobe Acrobat Reader. Let me just open an Adobe
OpenBook 9.0. Origins. Enter.
An Adobe Reader so you can see the difference.
Edit. Type in text. Reading untagged. Escape.
Okay, that is Adobe Acrobat Reader, and that is handled completely differently, and all of these can be made accessible. Right now that is not accessible, so I'm going to Alt F4 and close that. Now notice Adobe Flash Player is not in focus, so I'm Alt-tabbing, and I'm going to go ahead and tab to install, and spacebar to install. And then it's going to connect and download. Now be very careful with any type of downloads because many types, and I call them malware, even though if you use McAfee or any of the other products that come with it, it's fine. But in general, downloads are going to come with a whole lot of stuff you do not want. So you need to uncheck those boxes. Right now we're still good. So I need to tab to, I have read and agreed to this license, spacebar to select that, and then tap to install.
Install button to activate space. Adobe Flash Player 17.0 installer.
Okay, many times spacebar and enter work interchangeably, but sometimes they do not, so you just need to be aware of that. And then tap to done,
the button to
and spacebar. Okay, so that's how you do Adobe Flash Player, and now let's go ahead and do Adobe Reader. Now, if you look at my desktop, I'm going to start key M,
Windows N, desktop,
OS 8, it's start key D, and I'm going to hit A for Adobe Reader, and enter. So you can open Adobe Reader, go to Help, Alt H, and you can check for updates here, and hit Enter. Okay, and I have this up to date. Let's say you do not have Adobe Reader on your desktop. You will need it. So let's go into the internet and download it. So I'm going to do Start key 3.
Windows 3.
And open my Firefox. Firefox is the most accessible browser out there. It will give you the ability to use talking software and move around more easily than any other browser. So I and my students use it constantly. Control T. And I'm going to go ahead and type in Adobe Reader. And you can see that Adobe is starting to populate below that. Well, this is Flash Player. I just updated it. And Adobe Reader.
Mozilla Firefox. Adobe Reader Google search Mozilla Firefox. Adobe.
Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and hit H for headings to jump down into my headings.
Google heading level 1 link graphic. Go search results heading level 2.
Search results.
Adobe Acrobat Reader DC download vertical bar free PDF viewer for
Okay, so here's the free PDF viewer. If I continue to go down with my H, I can go down to Adobe Acrobat Reader products, which is going to cost money. So let's show you the difference between that. I'm going to hit H for header again.
Adobe Reader heading level 3 link. Adobe Acrobat Reader heading level 3 link.
One more time.
PDF Reader, PDF viewer vertical bar, Adobe Acrobat
and
Reader.
Enter and open.
Enter. Main region. PDF Reader, PDF viewer vertical bar, Adobe Acrobat Reader DC heading level 3 link. PDF Reader, PDF viewer vertical bar, Adobe Acrobat Reader DC.
Okay. So this is for all your different types of Adobe Reader. So when you become very sophisticated and you want all aspects of PDF Viewer, you're going to sign in, you're going to sign up, and you're going to buy this product. We are going to get the free one, so I'm going to go ahead and Alt, left arrow to go back, and I'm going to Shift H to go back up.
Adobe Acrobat Reader, Adobe Reader heading level 3 link. Adobe Acrobat Reader DC download vertical bar.
Now I'm going to tell you, you need to down arrow and listen to your links because many of these will have malware attached to them. So really listen and understand your links.
https://get.adobe.com/reader/.
Many get dots are malware, but with Adobe Reader, the free one is get.adobe.com/reader. you need to make sure that the name of the company is within that first part of the URL. If it is not, like it says softtech.adobe reader, that's going to be, if you download that, you're going to get a whole lot of information you do not want. So I'm going to up arrow back to the header
Level 3 link Adobe Acrobat
and enter and
main
open.
region, Adobe Acrobat Reader DC download vertical bar free PDF viewer for .https.
Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. So you have the optional offer, and you'll notice that it's automatically checked. All offers are automatically checked. So you need to tab around every dialog box and always uncheck those optional offers, otherwise they will download it for you. Now, just keeping in mind, with antivirus software, if you download more than one product, you're going to have huge conflict on your computer. So only one antivirus program.
Tab, banner, home link, tab, system requirements link.
And I'm just tabbing around.
Tab, are you in the manage tab? Yes, install the free McAfee security scan plus utility.
Yes, install the free. No, I don't want that, so I'm spacebar and uncheck, and then I continue to tab to install now.
Learn more link, tab, Adobe software, tab, install now link.
And spacebar.
Space. Adobe-install Adobe Acrobat Reader DC
Okay.
-Mozilla
Remember, I can
Adobe-install
Control
Adobe
J
Acrobat Reader DC
and follow my download.
Library, extended select list box, chemistry, essentials.
You can also hit your Start key and go to your Downloads folder. And once you have it selected and it is completed download, you just hit Enter. It will tell you it's an EXE or an executable file. This is so you don't accidentally download viruses. So if you're an experienced user, you can go ahead and tab to Don't Ask Me This Again and it won't come up. If you're a novice, I highly suggest you keep it open just in case. Spacebar and say OK, and then Alt-R to run it. And this will go ahead and download and install it, so then you can open all those PDF files. And then go ahead and tab to finish. And spacebar. And it tells you thanks, and you're good to go. Alt F4, close, and start up your program.